name is disorganized. Ketika disorganized schizophrenia mah ketika ba ini ayu kita kishin giba ki laban shema kini kiba yo tini ayu mah ide gitu giba shule perang giba shule le gitu perang bengi yo ih video mah ba shu le kam kai kam to hakajing em tu ki mah ka ba kim dan jing mod eh hakajing ih lagi shule ka le ba kum ngasa gitu kita giba giba baju pendom ki kelong mah kita gitu teng teng ingong ka biak dan gitu kiba shu saya feel ihi kini kiba shu ke ba shu smile calm down kini kiba shu complain kini kiba snadar mannerism grimacing mga try feel ini kani rogi ju kaliba kani ka hebephrenic saya fiatip he ni dan nafi bam tip bro kani ka worst you mo ka worst diagnosis worst type of schizophrenia and then kani ka catatonic kani nga try fiatip he kumot kumno kani rigidity mutism ketika nika yuka udan arteli mo types of catatonia ketika catatonia excitement but catatonia stupor mo tu excitement kamu ngilas tu excitement kamu no kiba susong shit lumar mo kadan tu ka episode jangki begitu ki stupor mo kiba katu hi kiba nga ong matan mutism kiba keren la dengi ban keren i kanu kanur kim keren kiba su katu ka ai jongki rigidity mo kiba ki kani ka stillness kung pangilaban ong kiba isu ayu ngatrai fla ayu hina ibun kila experience dan di kita balik sa sankia ngatrai kila ayu experience bagi kita ayun ni krims nang kiba haslo tigi ayu kiwi sa tisha ayu ngatrai kiyo ha nimhans kidan hing nas kibun hing and next is simple schizophrenia kaniru ketika worst type of diagnosis tampaka ketika hebephrenic kakam ayu mo kakam worst banyak ini kibaruhai predominantly negative symptoms kani negative symptom nga type yakin mau saya ikani armal and does not exhibit psychotic types undifferentiated this schizophrenia nga type type kadi kabangim laban khot mongim bangim laban ai kerjeng ke ikta ka ayu ka kat kum katuka sign symptom jogi patient kiba ki pen imo ka pau saba ngim laban categorize patient ki laban om kadika undifferentiated schizophrenia residual past history of psychosis but only having negative symptom past kamu kini residual schizophrenia kini kita basulong dan schizophrenia mensua mo kini kita minta long like the current situation they are not having that symptom anymore but that slight symptoms like they are kumdo kilaban on withdrawal mo ki kele ban penyedai brio kele berbor ban jengai na kibrio mo kele ban berbor ban ayu marwe and then kawan prof schizophrenia associated with mental retardation also known as crafted schizophrenia ini kiba dia bentip mo kani hebephrenic and catatonic is types of schizophrenia dia makin mau kini hebephrenic was ketika catatonic ketika best prognosis kini hebephrenic ketika was diagnosis and then the other name of this last is prof kuno I pronounce kini nangra ketika crafted schizophrenia ini specific symptoms saya yakin mau symptoms kini symptoms ki jo ai berbore ketika like much the correct one the sign symptoms kidan ketika positif bagi negatif positif berubah ketika delusion hallucination but interference with the thinking process of the individual mo kani ke delusion ka kawan hak disorder jo ke affective teng don ki baya ya kani ka yukiya hak disorder mo kani ka delusion ka disorder of thought kani ka hallucination disorder of perception delusion ke ga ba kenrei ba kani ka yumo sorry di ka hallucination delusion ka to bangala abata men likely delusion of persecution jealousy but curiosity and then hallucination fear tip am kan ka delusion ka bokum no hello delusion is we can explain it's false fixed and uncheckable belief mo ke eka ba ngimla ban ayu yo vision mo ba ban ngimla ban pen ko ngu ya mo ke eka ba udan ke eka ba yu ting ting ju ba himdan I ere beri ba yu de kimnge de ki ba ki nge ke eka ba like a hallucination ki os ngau ke yu I ki a ini delusion ke dibukan mau it's a sorry it's illusion and mistake hallucination and illusion mo hallucination is without a perception sorry without a stimulus and illusion is with a stimulus kata physically bha what is hallucination hallucination is a perception without a stimulus and illusion is a perception with a stimulus mo ke ka ba kendrai ba ha kane ka schizophrenia mo what types of hallucination ka deka auditory mo auditory ka ba kham e wa ha kane ki ayu ikan wan sa kane ka kembang la positive interference with the thinking process kan was kane ka disorder of speech and thinking mo effective communication can be impaired and answer to question may be partially or completely unrelated ke ka bangi kili se phangka pangjung ki mo ke ek bang kili yaki ki jawab da kwe pat ka answer like disorganized of speech tekani kata dunia ngawala patna I was less abnormal motor activity or aggressive behavior kata ngala patna hai types of kata dunia ke di utterly ketika kata dunia excitement and kata dunia stupor poor executive functioning and ability to understand information to make decision kata kawa ayu yaki ka thinking process jong ki mo and poor working memory kita rekan what thinking de akan negative symptoms pat saya akan mari flood effect kemudian efek mo yaki expressions of emotion via facial expressions or voice tone and then alluria reduce speech abolition inability to begin and sustain activities anhedonia inability to express pleasure and associability withdrawal from social contacts reluctance to perform everyday tasks katung bangala mention menne what are the four blulers kita kuju blulers force a ya kini video ban kemau thabi kan mau ki four blulers di affective disturbances kini ki di ba video ban kan mau ha mo nama ki ju pen jupan kelain mo ki jupan kle lang ba kan ki negative symptom ini ki 4 A's ni thabi kan mau affective disturbances autistic thinking ambivalence and associative looseness kata video ban tip baki di 4 A's but kini ki negative symptoms mo negative symptom kide 5 A's mo ketika flood effect ilaban au ketika associative flattening mo kapag mudon na euro di kan one hakata ladangi I to next A kede associative flattening kede kan one santli mo 4 A's kede to blulers but negative symptoms we define as 5 A's ini ki 4 A's bagi 5 A's kede makin mau ba de ki diagnosis bukan diagnostic criteria includes the criteria in the diagnostic and statistical manual of mental disorder kini ngai saya kan mau manubala you ya kini ka DSM the medical history blood test and imaging MRI and CT scan kini MRI and CT scan kini ba you mau ba itu ang ba hakini ki schizophrenia patient kat kum ka CT scan first kini ka idong ki kini ka lateral ventricle but kani ka third ventricle ka longka enlargement of those ventricle kala ki omba ka la ban pelong ba ki beriu ki schizophrenia MRI kani ka longka kani ka frontal cortex ki kam ayu ha kam tri kam ha mo frontal cortex nga affective kali ka spangka thinking decision making but problem solving and then psychiatric evaluation kumnong nila aban evaluate doctor or mental health professional checks mental status by observing appearance demeanor and asking about thoughts moods and awareness a person may be diagnosed if they have at least 2 of the following symptoms can you video usually over a month maximum kade 6 months Mo kedimana? A person may be diagnosed if they have at least 2 of the following symptoms, usually over 6 months. About 6 months. Mo. Jika di kini iyo harum lada don tang atli mot kilala pan diagnosis your question. Mo. Delusion, hallucination, disorganized behavior, disorganized speech and thought process, hypotonic behavior presenting as strong taste or hyperactivity, and negative symptoms impaired normal function. Ikan management kanuan kini hospitalization kani balong stable your patient but ban ensure safety your patient balingi admit your patient ma. Kini psychopharmacology kini saya next separate topic mod fang tangi tri ayu ngatangi laban cover ni. Ilaban cover haka pharmacology dan ilaban cover next ladangi don kelas ladangi don po ilaban lek tang haka ni ka psychiatry mo mendem lek bro like pharmacology ni lek tang psychopharmacology like it's part of therapy ECT and psychotherapy. Psychotherapy ru katanga amot ban lek kata grukom nginya betang therapy nginya behavioral therapy, cognitive therapy, family therapy mo nginya bet mix lang baik kat kumbaro yaki bang ilaban play yaki hakini ki psychiatric disorder. Bahkan nursing management mo, nursing management nga psychiatric hi ka responsibility jong ki nurse ka bakable kumbang la patay hakini ka ibu ni ka slide ban ko jok ka nurse client relationship mo ni wan ka clinical management. The American Psychiatric Association guidelines treatment recommendation for patients with schizophrenia divide the treatment into 3 phases. Acute phases. Kini kam san kita makila aban kili mo kini ki phase kat kum ketika American Psychiatric ilaban ayu kili kat no ketika acute phase. The other words is initial presentation 4 to 6 weeks defined by acute psychotic episode kilaban kili kata grup kom kilaban kili kini stabilization kat no benai ban ayu ban stabilize ketika phase jungki ketika don dekat por more time limited transition to continue treatment but kini third phase ketika maintenance information stable environment. De kini kan wan ha kini ka treatment mo ngalong ne ki antipsychotic neuroleptic haka psychopharmacology treatment alcoholism musu I like kami tagasni just for a highlight mo naman ha kini ka first generation first generation antipsychotic, second generation antipsychotic but kani ka electroconvulsive therapy. The completion kamu ngelatip adangim sumarkan ja ayu yaki yaki tu brio mo depression, anxiety, suicide, substance abuse, smoking, violence and self-injury. And then prognosis, there is no known cure for schizophrenia. The kata yang dibantip ha, fortunately there are effective treatments that can reduce symptoms, decrease the likelihood that new episodes of psychosis will occur. Jadi kamu kata ladang itu bangidon nang i brio ha senong atha nang bayi ngasam gi badan ikini schizophrenia. Imde ban batai mo imde ban pindu mensim yaki ba kamde ka ba de gi pang ka pamla ban koi. Imde lada tip tip ne fiange ni fiange ka katu bangala omo last time ajupe bahas pangatuka epigenetics pangito baki ong there is no such thing that the body the mind cannot heal itself mo ong le kata hakata rukom inaban ong no kajing duai mo teng kajing duai ka pelong yang ibangin ngai tang na kata kajing ngai kalaban pen ko yubrio iki scientist hakata rukom kile mo ong ba lada ki brio baro kitip ikana hakanu ko rukom kajing duai katrikam dan re we brio ban numpang mo ban suffer mengilapan ong mo teng ladang idang gibrio masupang malumana ladang induai tang kata kajing duai ladang inum di gawai kala penkoi yang imo kade hakata rukom ba ladang induai kata jingai jungi kata jabing jungi katrikam mo trikam katre kasenetik skills kiba ayo mo pero ka penirap jungi ban koi tiladafia dan interesting filaban page hang kita ka epigenetics nama hanga kalong interesting ba kong lada fit ngai kata hiyo mo pat haka ayo thor ko ong kata ngai pin koi filaban kin ria kilom ru kata he kapan ong like for example ru ayo mentaru hangkanika diabetes ru mo yang lada tang kata ru tang tigi affirmation ru kibriu kila experience ya kata ka kumno ka jabing jungi katrikam se masai la poi ha ka bakut por ko piang ti phedan jing ayu jing keli ayu namang asong la sumare be ngatai ngasulong tang revision gini hi namar ki kiba niki points kiba juwan satu ngasang la ayu dia kasai kiba nga I don't come la at niki like the theories ru ki juwan kini types of ayu ru keli schizophrenia ki eka ba khamos ke tumala mention menne kini ki affective kini ki 4As ki 5As ki positive ayu to delusion ki types of delusion ki bangila macam schizophrenia hallucination ke eka ba kham kan re kini ki schizophrenia patient then sak functional disorder itu ki ayu menaiti functional disorder mo kitu ki ba kham no confused ba basically bha kamot ayu hypochondria kamot ayu somatization kamot ayu kini ga conversion disorder kita hi basically tambah kastin amkan mau ba kini kata-kata kan jadi kini ki lada pikai ni ki national exam dan ki central exam kini bha kini ro tam like ki dates important dates mo gitu like ECT last time wala batai sangat tahi aku akan remind kan ni punya kan mau ni ya kata mo like ini ka phases of therapeutic nurse client relationship hakani ka first line first sentence Hidalgo Peplo kani fi kan mau kedai ke last time wala batai hello describe 4 sequential phases of a nurse's client relationship kila ban clear ro kani ka balap ye kani ka batai ning kong mo kani ka therapeutic nurse client relationship hakani ka iyo hakani ka nursing process jungi itu ka iyo like ka sampel bang ju yes iyo kani ka Hidalgo mo saya bayar ulak batai tu sen ulak ai iyo Hildegard Peplau ketua bang ong ba is the mother of psychiatric nursing di depan kenal tu tahu bai fidan ni benang dan ba
ketua schizophrenia ang ong do ka hap ha ketua F ketua classification